beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Hey, you should stop doing any party campaigning.
Now they spoil Enugu West, ba. Now they spoil Enugu West. Now they spoil Enugu West.
Yes, you know when they say there is no election in Biafra land, some people will say, how dare you tell me there is no election in Biafra land? We are having our election. There is nothing you can do about it. And behold, in Enugu, this happens the 18th day of September 2021, when these people were in their normal meeting, campaigning for who they want to be governor. They started sharing money for them already, eating what they know how to eat best. You see them, they've been used like agents. You know, they were there making the party, and these people troop in and start telling them that, haven't you guys been warned that there is no election in Biafra land? But I cannot unmute the volume because the sound inside is very horror, and it won't be allowed for me to upload it. That is why I just mute it, so I'll be talking on the background. And some pictures as well are too sensitive to be thrown out, so I have to do some covering. Yeah, they were there enjoying themselves, making parties and plans. And these people arrived there to tell them that we have warned you time without number that there is no election in Biafra land. That is the origin of the problem. But the main point I want to bring out is this. Most people are saying, oh, they are IPOP. They are Eastern Security Network. No. If you see the accent of these people, if you hear them talk, you know that they are nowhere closer to any IPOP member. You will know that these are opposition parties trying to disrupt their own clients. That, let me put it that way. They are trying to scatter everything, because it's just like opposition. It's survival of the fittest. That is what they are doing. So these people are not nowhere close to IPOP or Eastern Security Network. They don't do this. Okay? You can't just see Eastern Security Network coming out for this type of things. No. They are not. They are not Eastern Security Network. They are not IPOP. These are other propaganda by the Nigeria government. This is what they know how to do best. These are opposition party. So these are some of the things that they led them to understand that there is no election in Biafra land. They will not listen. They will not want to listen. Though it's the hard work of opposition party, that is the way they will still do to them, because there is no election in Biafra land. Enough of all this. They've deceived us enough. Enough of saying I will do this, I will do that, just for election's sake, just to seek the heart of the people. And after election, what do? They dump them as if they did not even know them. So the people are now wise to say that, hey, no need for all this. Since there is no election, since you people cannot meet up with your vows, since you people will not meet up with what you promised, that means there is no need for this type of election. That is just what these people they need. There is no need for election, no need for you to be deceiving them. They are wise now. Gone on those days. Imagine the place that Muhammadu Buhari came to commission. If you enter that place now, erosion. Everywhere is bad. The road is bad. There is nothing like say they repair the road or make a new road for commissioning. That is nonsense. Absolutely nonsense. So the people, they are now wise, and we know very well that during election there are some projects that they will left untouched. So the other party or the person that is in charge will come out and say, oh, you see this road, I'm going to repair a good road, I'm going to do this, I'm going to build schools, I'm going to build hospitals. They use the weak point of the Nigeria people to hold them ransom. They know that they like money. They know that the youth cannot do without money. And what will they do? They start sharing some kuli money for them, and before you see, they forget themselves and they forget their life. They start clapping hand for that person because they get 20,000. Can you use 20,000 to take care of yourself for 4 years? So these are the things that they are talking about. There is no election in Biafra land, period. If I really want to ask some of these questions or some of all these people, what really the benefits or what you will stand to gain if you conduct election in Biafra land, in southeast part of Nigeria? What are you going to gain when you know very well that these people, they never mean well for you? When they know very well that these people, they are the ones that gathered and make their plan to kidnap the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These are the people. The way they use their mind to make their meeting, they are simply asking a simple question to also use that mind, that intelligence, that brightness to also bring him out. Why is it that these people, they are also afraid of sit at home? When they hear sit at home, you see they start to jerk, start to complain, start to murmur, start to fight themselves. These are all the bad eggs we are talking about. If they know that if they sit at home, they cannot have access to their campaign and they cannot have access to what they want to do. And again, some people are also saying that, hey, even if people did not vote anybody or there's no election conducted, somebody must emerge at the end of the day as governor. Yes, when the world is watching it and the world is seeing that there is nothing like election, and the world is seeing that that person that is there just enter, just like the way Buhari put Hope Uzodinma there. Enough of all this. You can't be deceiving people anymore. Even last year, 2020 is different from 2021. Not talking about 2015 or 2016 to compare 2021. People are now wise. People now know what they want. People taste for what they want. What they want is sit at home. And what they want, there is no election in certain part of Nigeria. That is what they want. So you have to bear it in mind and do what the people want. So my wonderful family, that is all about this update. If you know you don't know this person that is talking, I still remain Agatha Progress here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because the referendum, that is where our hope lies. All right, my wonderful family, I choose to leave you here, and if you know you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends and family. I have to leave you now. See you when I see you. Bye.